Hi everyone, this is Jessica, your friendly audiologist here at Audiology Innovations. Today I would like to remind you that it's important to keep your hearing aids clean. This ensures an optimal lifespan as well as good sound quality for your hearing aids. Most of the time, when your hearing aid seems like it's not working, a good cleaning can restore the sound. At Audiology Innovations, we recommend a daily, a weekly, and a monthly cleaning checklist. This is for both our custom pieces as well as receiver in the ear pieces. On a daily basis, we recommend that you wipe your hearing aids down with a soft cloth. On a weekly basis, we recommend that you brush down your hearing aids to get rid of any stubborn residue, such as earwax, skincare products, or hair products. On a monthly basis, we recommend that you change the wax filters at the end of your hearing aids. If you're in need of any cleaning supplies, such as filters or cloths and brushes, or of course, if you're in need of assistance in cleaning your hearing aid, please feel free to reach out to us. One of our friendly clinicians will be more than happy to help you get your hearing aids into an optimal condition.